Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel friends. In this video, I will show you how to change your mobile number on Tawasul. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, launch Tawasul. Then you can see the many options. Click on Settings option at down right corner. You can see their mobile number option. Click on it, then click on Change Number. Click on Change. Then add there your country. Then write the number. Then click on the option at down right corner. Click on Yes finally guys. In this way, you can easily change your phone number on Tawasul.